is Shivangi, Director and Co-founder of Digital Solution. Today I am having Sakshi with us. Sakshi is our Global Operations Head. She is going to tell us how she used the highly optimized search terms and platinum keywords to get the highest ROI and to get the highest visibility. So before starting this video, I would request you to please subscribe to the channel and share with your friends. So hi Sakshi, how are you?
Hello Shivangi, I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good too. Thank you so much. So you're gonna tell us about how you use platinum keywords and how you use search term to get the highest organic sale. So yes, please go ahead.
Okay. So at the very initial level, when a seller start to list their product on Amazon, the main part from which he or she can get the visibility is the keywords. Okay, the organic sales totally depend on the keywords and the reviews and ratings of the product. So as we all know, keywords plays a very important role in any inventory. So there are two types of keywords in listing, which are search terms, and the second one are platinum keywords. In search term, we can add phrases like a particular product is there, and we have to find various keywords through which the customers can search it on the online portals. Okay, so we can use those phrases in that search terms, and in platinum keywords, we have to make like 2 or 3 keywords through which we can we have to predict through which keywords we are getting most of the sales. Which are the very common and popular keywords through which the customers are searching for the particular product. So we have to get known. For this, we have to do a product research, and we have to go through all the inventory competitors present on Amazon for us.
So Sakshi, do you use any kind of tool, or is this your experience that you are using to get the highest sale? As I know, we are serving many clients and they are getting organic sale like anything. So do you use any tool, or you are using your experience?
Yes. As an expert, experience is a very different thing. Of course, I do have. So there's a lot of data through which we can find those search terms. There are very few free tools which are available on internet. So at the very initial level, we can use those tools, and after having a time of experience, we can we will get to know what kind of keywords people generally use.
Yeah, it's like doing self analytics and
yes.
all, right? Sounds good, perfect. So do you have any tips and tricks for beginner, how they can generate keywords, or how should they go for the keywords so that it would be easy for them, or they watch this video so it would be easy for them to do it by themselves? And if still you are not able to do it by yourself, you can contact us. Our mail ID is mentioned in the description box. Again, Sakshi is gonna tell us how she does it, so you can learn from this video. So yes, please Sakshi, tell us.
So at the very initial level, the sellers can take help from the free tools available on internet. But apart from that, we can take the advantage of the selling portal itself. If we search for a water bottle, and if we enter the term water bottle in the search bar, there are many other options
Suggestions,
which came under the search term. So that are the most selling or most search terms on that particular portal. So we can fetch those search terms from for that particular portal, and we can add those terms in our search terms or as a platinum keyword to gain as much as visibility we can.
It was really helpful, believe me, Sakshi. Thank you so much for letting people know how they can start their business if they are struggling into Amazon, how they can sort it out. And also, if you have any doubt, if you are struggling in any point of time, you can comment me in the comment box. So definitely we will be here to help you, and we will be making a new video on that. And please like this video, share with your friends. Thank you so much.